Okay, here's what we got here. So, propane tank, 30-pound regulator, 0 to 30. Comes in, main fuel shut off, burner shut off. You shut the burner off, it'll cycle through the idle loop. On the idle loop, you can hardly read the pressure. Both burners on, I'm only running around 2.5 pounds. This is what it looks like. I still have, my front burner doesn't seem to be doing very much. It's on, but there's no, I probably can't see this, but I got a nice blue flame coming down through my back burner, not much in my front burner. Right now we're running about 1600 degrees, so it's freaking hot in there. Anyhow, I'm trying to heat up a piece of metal just to play with. I ended up putting a little guard here. Seemed like my flames were getting a little bit close to my intake right there. So this is my circuit I'm running. You can see my whole loop. These are my main feeds here. Pressure gauge. This is the idle loop. Take it down into just the idle mode here. Definitely getting things hot in there though. I mean, that piece of steel I have in there is red hot. So it's definitely doing what it needs to do, but I'm not super happy. Yeah, there's my back door on the forge. You can see that. Anyhow, love to hear some comments. I think I got a problem with that front burner. I might need to swap it out. I'm going to talk to the person I got it from, see if he wants to give me some advice. Okay.